People often ask me how I get into my truck. It's a 22 Tacoma, 2-inch lift kit, 33-inch wheels. I'm going to show you guys how it's done. Open the door, lodge myself in here, pop these side panels off first. Those go in your passenger seat. I'm going to get this right leg. I'm going to lodge it onto this foot, the foot thingamajig. Go and get it right here. So then I'm going to pull myself up with this handle right here, and I'm going to pivot with this right hand. I'm going to put it on the passenger seat, pull and pivot at the same time. There we go. And once you're fully locked in, you can finally take apart your chair. Cushion, back seat. Turn the chair, lodge it, pop the brake, pop the wheel, back seat. Turn the chair around. Back seat. Then you get the chair, spin it, and I lodge it here between the rock slider and the door. Go ahead, grab it, throw it up here. Got the skinny bar, fold the chair in half, throw it in the passenger seat. That's how I get in. Now getting out, same thing but in reverse. Bring the chair out, pop it here, bam, bam. It's nice having a truck because I can bang it up and not worry about it, because that's exactly why I bought it. This, lodge this wheel in there, throw it in there, get that right there, lock it in, chair, boom, pop it, and then you want to get this seat tire locked. That tire's not locked, you're going to be bummed when you end up on the floor and have to pick your butt up. Go, grab the cushion, boom. Dial it in, swing the legs out. Pop this. Boom. That's how it's done.